Okay, this is my new Prusa printer. I just got it last Friday, so 6 days ago. It's been printing almost nonstop ever since. And I am just about ready to run out of filament. That left spool is empty, and you can see there's just a couple, just a little bit there left going into the extruder. I've struggled with other 3D printers when it comes time to change out your filament after the printer, or rather after the filament runs out. I've lost prints because of it. So I'm really interested to see how smooth this one is. So it's pulling in the last little bit of filament right now, so I expect it to stop any second and notify me that I need to change the filament. Okay, there it is. Alright, so it says, please press the knob to unload the filament. So I will click here, and it spits this out. That was very painless. Please pull out filament immediately. Was filament unload successful? And I would say yes, that was successful. So insert filament. Alright, so my other filament roll is up here. And it's taking it automatically, and I can already see it extruding. Okay, so I'm going to clear that out. Just a little bit of extra. So now it says changed correctly, question mark. Yeah, I would say so. So I'll hit yes. And let's see if it resumes. Well, the process was certainly painless. That is as simple as that can be, I would imagine. Now, my question is, how well does it work? So I think I see just a tiny, tiny spot where the filament changed from one load to the other. For this particular print, that's not going to matter, because that spot, and I think you can see that there pretty clearly on the camera, that spot is going to be buried inside. This is going to be a fairly large print, and right now it's still printing the base, and it's probably got 2 or 3 more layers to go before it even starts to do any infill. So that little spot there for this particular print isn't going to matter, but I could imagine, depending on where you're at in your print, having a little spot like that could be a bit unsightly. Even so, I guess I would rate that experience pretty much 9 out of 10. I'd give it a 10 out of 10 if it weren't for that little spot right there. But yeah, that worked out really well. I'm quite happy with that. I've never had a filament run out work as simple as that did.